Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy crispy fry. This unique method transforms your rich, savory gravy into an exciting new texture experience. Imagine a delightful crunch that complements your main dishes or stands alone as a delicious snack. We'll cover everything from preparing your gravy to the final frying technique, ensuring you achieve that irresistible crispiness every time. Get ready to elevate your culinary skills and impress everyone with this innovative approach to a classic favorite. The first crucial step is preparing your gravy. You'll need to thicken it considerably, far beyond its usual serving consistency. Aim for a very thick, almost paste-like texture, similar to a firm dough. A good ratio is to whisk in about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or flour slurry for every cup of gravy you have. Once thickened, spread it thinly onto a baking sheet and chill it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, or until it's completely firm and easy to handle. Now for the exciting part, frying. Once your gravy is firm, carefully cut it into small, uniform pieces, perhaps 1-inch squares or strips. Heat a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a deep pan to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently drop the gravy pieces into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. To ensure maximum crispiness, a few key tips are essential. Always make sure your thickened gravy is thoroughly chilled and firm before you begin frying. This prevents it from disintegrating in the hot oil. When frying, work in small batches to avoid lowering the oil temperature too much, which can lead to greasy, less crispy results. After frying, immediately transfer your crispy gravy pieces to a wire rack to drain any excess oil, keeping them perfectly crunchy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.